So today is another day for flat roof repair in this house in downtown Toronto. It's 2.5 story, so basically 3-story. So half story here, that's the second, third, another half on top. The back balcony is leaking. There are some other issues, but we're going to fix the balcony leak, which is leaking right on the bedroom. I have to take this bucket up. I put some coal tar here and some other stuff. There was no other way that we can put our ladder because we got this shed here. We pulled all the material with the rope. Now I'm gonna take this bucket up and see what's involved there. So it's leaking somewhere from this area. The homeowner, he put some silicone, but it doesn't work. You can see all this is gone and it's hanging in the air. So what we did, we cleaned up all the gravel here. Now this is a tar and gravel roof. Basically what we have to do is we gotta apply 2-ply system, BUR system on this. I gotta secure this to the main roof and prime it, then put the base sheet up to here, or up to here at least. But I can see all these holes, yeah, up to here, and extend it. First we have to heat this, clean it up, heat it, and then base sheet, cap sheet, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna leak again. As you can see, we brought all this stuff here, and that's how it is. So we put the base and we sand it all the way up there underneath, so water doesn't back up anymore. And I try to press this, as you can see, but always we shouldn't trust this one. We made some changes on the plan before. We supposed to go up, but now we sand it underneath. It's more safe, and the flashing is going to be on top because it was bouncing, so I decided to sand it underneath. Yeah, so this gaps that you can see, water might penetrate underneath. So the plan is now we put the tar here, we're heating it up, and then we're gonna put tar on all edges all around, and then we'll apply our cap sheet. So you can get this buckets from any roofing supply, and these are specially made for tar. You got a nice lead. So we melt the tar, and in this bucket, as I showed you, still I can see the steam. We put it all around here. These are all hot tar, and now we're gonna put our base. So I cut them all in the same size. So this was the base sheet with the smooth surface, and as you can see, the cap sheet, what I mean is here you get the granular one, right? And this is called TP250, and this is the coal tar that we just melted in that bucket. So as you can see here, this is the final product. Time is right now 5:22, but it's all dark. It's fall season. Days are shorter. Yeah, as you can see, that's the cap sheet. It went all underneath all the flashing. Here, hold on this. Hold on to this. And can you bring some light here? So we send it up high there, so there's no possibility that ice or water can back up there. It's all sealed, as you can see here, and we put, as I said, BUR system to apply. And even as you can see, those corners are 100% sealed, and we're good to go.